Congratulations and celebration. Well, I tell everyone that you're in love with me. Congratulations and celebration. I want the world to know I'm happy as can be. That I've been happy and content. I used to think that happiness had its fading way.
ওরে বাবা বেরিয়েছিল না